Dosto, welcome back to Education Village. Today, we're tackling a big question. How do you market your business when you have zero budget? The truth is, your greatest marketing asset isn't money. It's your creativity and resourcefulness. Marketing is about building real connections, not just spending on ads. If you're ready to learn 5 powerful, budget-friendly marketing strategies that actually work, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Our first strategy, social media. But it's not just about posting product photos. Find out where your audience hangs out, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook groups, and focus on 1 or 2 platforms. Show up daily. Share behind-the-scenes moments, tips, and stories that make your brand relatable. Use hashtags and location tags to reach new people, especially if you're a local business. Engage, reply to comments, answer DMs, and comment on others' posts in your niche. Social media is about building relationships, not just broadcasting. Consistency and genuine interaction build trust, and trust is what turns followers into customers. Don't try to be everywhere, be where it matters and be present. Remember, every post is a chance to connect, not just to sell. Create a daily rhythm your audience looks forward to. Give value and your community will grow. This is how you build a loyal following, one real interaction at a time. Social media success is about connection, not just content. Next up, WhatsApp. It's more than a chat app. It's a direct line to your customers. Set up WhatsApp Business with your logo, business info, and a product catalog. Use status to share daily updates, offers, or customer stories. Your contacts will see it. Broadcast lists let you send updates to groups of customers without spamming. Start with your own network, family, friends, colleagues. Share your story, not just your products. Ask politely for referrals. If you know someone who'd love this, please forward. Always get permission before adding people to lists and send useful tips, not just sales pitches. Become a source of value. Share recipes, tips, or advice related to your business. When you offer value, people become your brand ambassadors. WhatsApp marketing is about trust and personal connection. Third strategy, Google My Business. If you have a local business, you must be here. Claim your listing, fill in every detail: address, hours, phone, website, and accurate categories. Upload high-quality photos of your shop, products, and happy customers. Post weekly updates, specials, events, or new arrivals to stay active in search results. Use the Quanda feature to answer common questions. Most important, ask happy customers for Google reviews. More reviews mean higher rankings and more trust. Don't be shy. Ask for feedback and make it easy with a direct link or QR code. Google. My Business is your digital storefront. Keep it fresh and engaging. More reviews lead to more customers, creating a positive feedback loop. Be discoverable where it matters most on Google. Let's talk about collaboration, specifically local micro-influencers. Forget celebrities. Look for respected people in your community, bloggers, group admins, or local experts. Make a list of those with engaged, relevant followers. Start by supporting them. Follow, comment, and engage genuinely. Reach out with a personal message. Offer your product or service as a gift and ask for honest feedback. No strings attached. If they love it, they'll likely share it with their audience. One authentic post from a trusted local voice can be more powerful than paid ads. Focus on building real relationships, not just transactions. Collaboration is about mutual value and trust. The final strategy, share your expertise through free workshops or live sessions. Teach something valuable related to your business, styling tips, recipes, or financial basics. Host sessions on Instagram, live, Facebook, Zoom, or even in person. Promote your event a week in advance across all your channels. Prepare well, have a clear structure, and deliver real value. Introduce yourself and your business at the start and end with your contact info visible. End with a soft call to action. Invite people to check out your products or visit your store. Giving value builds trust and positions you as an expert. People buy from those they trust and learn from. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to market your business without spending money. Pick one strategy, focus on it for the next 30 days, and watch your business grow. Remember, marketing is about creativity, consistency, and connection, not budget. Your lack of funds is your advantage. It forces you to be innovative and authentic. Stay focused, provide value, and celebrate every small win. Believe in your vision and your ability to make a difference. Comment below with the tip you'll try first and share this video with someone starting their business. Don't forget to subscribe to Education Village for more smart business lessons.